Are you tired of feeling enslaved by the endless bills piling up on your doorstep? Fear not, for we have journeyed far and wide to uncover the secrets of cutting costs. And today, we shall unveil them to you. As we embark on this enlightening quest, brace yourselves for a plethora of clever tips and tricks to help you slash those bills in half the time. From the art of negotiation to the power of frugality, we shall leave no stone unturned in our pursuit of savings. Let's start. Tip 1. Negotiate with service providers. The art of negotiation. A subtle yet powerful tool in the arsenal of cost cutting. And where better to begin our negotiation journey than with the service providers that drain our wallets each month? Verily, my friends, did you know that most service providers are willing to negotiate on their prices? From cable and internet to phone and insurance, the power is truly in your hands. But how, you may ask, does one go about negotiating with these providers? Well, let us first set the stage. Gather your bills, your current contract, and any competitor offers you may have. Then, arm yourself with the knowledge of your options and the willingness to walk away. With these weapons at the ready, you can now approach the providers and bargain like a true master. Remember, the key is to remain calm, assertive, and confident, and you will be amazed at the savings you can achieve. But that's not all, my friends. Remember, you can always negotiate on your bill's renewal, so keep an eye out for that opportunity as well. Tip 2. Use cashback apps and websites. Step forth, my friends, and behold the power of cashback apps and websites. These digital saviors, oft overlooked, hold the key to unlocking a treasure trove of saving. Indeed, with the simple click of a button, you can earn cash back on your purchases from a plethora of merchants. From groceries to clothing, from travel to electronics, the possibilities are endless. But how, you may ask, does one go about accessing these cashback options? Fear not, for the process is as simple as downloading a cashback app or visiting a cashback website. Once you have signed up and linked your preferred payment method, all you need to do is shop as usual and watch the savings roll in. Additionally, many cashback apps and websites also offer coupons and deals, adding yet another layer of savings to your shopping experience. So my friends, let us embrace this digital age and harness the power of cashback apps and websites to save even more money. Tip 3. Cook at home more often. Behold, my dear companions, the humble kitchen. A place often overlooked in the quest for savings, but one that holds the key to a wealth of cost-cutting opportunities. Indeed, one of the simplest yet most effective ways to cut costs is by cooking at home more often. Not only does it save you money on dining out, but it also allows you to have greater control over the ingredients and nutritional value of your meals. But how, you may ask, does one go about embracing the art of home cooking? The answer is simple: meal planning and preparation. By taking the time to plan your meals for the week and doing a bulk shopping, you can avoid impulse buys and save money on grocery. Also, don't be afraid to get creative with leftovers and make use of your freezer to store pre-made meals for busy days. And if you're a beginner cook, don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and cooking techniques. You'll be surprised at how easy and delicious homemade meals can be. Tip 4. Shop at discount stores. The joys of bargain hunting. A pastime often overlooked in the quest for savings, but one that holds the key to a wealth of cost-cutting opportunities. Indeed, one of the simplest yet most effective ways to cut costs is by shopping at discount stores. These retail havens offer a plethora of items at a fraction of the cost of traditional retailers, from clothing to electronics, from household items to groceries. The possibilities are endless. But how, you may ask, does one go about embracing the art of bargain hunting? The answer is simple. Do your research and be open-minded. By taking the time to compare prices and explore different discount stores, you can save a significant amount of money on your purchases. Also, don't be afraid to take a chance on items that may have slight imperfections or are open box. Many times, these items are still in excellent condition and can be had at a fraction of the cost. And remember, just because something is on sale or discounted, it doesn't mean it's a good deal. Always compare prices before buying. So, Let us bid farewell to the high prices of traditional retailers and embrace the savings of discount stores. Your wallet will thank you. Tip 5. Use public transportation or carpool. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. The power of public transportation and carpooling. A mode of transportation often overlooked in the quest for savings, but one that holds the key to a wealth of cost-cutting opportunities. Indeed, one of the simplest yet most effective ways to cut costs is by using public transportation or carpooling. Not only does it save you money on gas and vehicle maintenance, but it also reduces your carbon footprint and traffic congestion. But how, you may ask? Does one go about embracing the art of public transportation or carpooling? The answer is simple. Plan ahead and be open-minded. By taking the time to research the public transportation options in your area and by finding carpooling partners through apps, you can save a significant amount of money on your daily commuting. Also, don't be afraid to consider alternative modes of transportation, such as biking or walking, if the distance is feasible. These options can save you money and improve your physical health. Tip 6. Cut back on subscription services. A trap often fallen into in the quest for entertainment, but one that holds the key to a wealth of cost-cutting opportunities. Indeed, one of the simplest yet most effective ways to cut costs is by cutting back on subscription services. From streaming platforms to magazines, from music services to online classes, the possibilities are endless. But how, you may ask, does one go about embracing the art of subscription cutting? The answer is simple: review and prioritize. By taking the time to review all of your subscriptions and by prioritizing which ones you truly use and enjoy, you can save a significant amount of money on your monthly expenses. Also, don't be afraid to consider alternative options, such as borrowing items from the library or using free trials before committing to a subscription. These options can save you money and help you decide if the service is really worth it. Tip 7. Use energy-efficient appliances. Indeed, one of the simplest yet most effective ways to cut costs is by using energy-efficient appliances. From light bulbs to washing machines, from refrigerators to air conditioners, the possibilities are endless. But how, you may ask, does one go about embracing the art of energy efficiency? The answer is simple: research and upgrade it. By taking the time to research energy-efficient options and upgrade your appliances to more energy-efficient models, you can save a significant amount of money on your monthly energy bills. Also, don't be afraid to consider alternative options such as using natural light or unplugging appliances when not in use. These options can save you money and reduce your carbon footprint. So let us bid farewell to the wasteful habit of energy consumption and embrace the savings and environmental benefits of energy-efficient appliances. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Tip 8. Take advantage of free activities. Listen, my dear companions, to the call of free activities, an opportunity often overlooked in the quest for entertainment, but one that holds the key to a wealth of cost-cutting opportunities. Indeed, one of the simplest yet most effective ways to cut costs is by taking advantage of free activities. From parks and hiking trails to libraries and museums, from community events to free online classes, the possibilities are endless. But how, you may ask, does one go about embracing the art of free activities? The answer is simple: research and explore. By taking the time to research free activities in your area and by exploring different options, you can save a significant amount of money on your entertainment expenses. Also, don't be afraid to consider alternative options, such as hosting a potluck or game night with friends, or taking a walk around your neighborhood. These options can save you money and provide unique experiences. So, let us bid farewell to the costly habit of entertainment expenses and embrace the savings and enjoyment of free activities. Your wallet and your mind will thank you. Tip 9. Plan ahead for big purchases. A strategy often overlooked in the quest for savings, but one that holds the key to a wealth of cost-cutting opportunities. Indeed, one of the simplest yet most effective ways to cut costs is by planning ahead for big purchases. From buying a new car to planning a vacation, from purchasing appliances to home renovation, the possibilities are endless. But how, you may ask? Does one go about embracing the art of planning ahead? The answer is simple: research and budget. By taking the time to research your options and create a budget, you can save a significant amount of money on your big purchases. Also, don't be afraid to consider alternative options, such as buying used items or waiting for sales or discounts. These options can save you money and provide you with better deals. Tip 10. Try a minimalist lifestyle. Heed, my dear companions, the call of minimalism. A lifestyle often overlooked in the quest for savings, but one that holds the key to a wealth of cost-cutting opportunities. Indeed, one of the simplest yet most effective ways to cut costs is by trying a minimalist lifestyle. By decluttering, downsizing, and living with less, you can not only save money but also improve your mental and physical well-being. But how, you may ask, does one go about embracing the art of minimalism? The answer is simple. Start small and focus on the essentials. Begin by decluttering your home and focus on keeping only the items that bring you joy and are essential to your daily life. Also, don't be afraid to consider alternative options such as buying secondhand items or renting instead of buying. These options can save you money and help you focus on what truly matters in life. From the subtle power of negotiation to the joys of bargain hunting, from the delights of home cooking to the benefits of energy efficiency, we have traversed the landscape of cost-cutting and emerged victorious. But our journey does not end here, for the path of savings is an ongoing one. Remember, my friends, that even small changes can make a big difference. Therefore, let us take this newfound knowledge and apply it to our daily lives. Let us embrace the power of cost-cutting and live a life of financial freedom. In conclusion, my dear companions, I encourage you to try one or more of these tips and share with your friends and family. Remember, the more you save, the more you have to spend on things that truly matter. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebooks. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life. From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment, we cover it all. Order our ebooks via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.